Make a great choice today with the 2020 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, privacy glass, front disc rear drum brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires front all season. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.